A sunny afternoon in a garden. A mother sits nearby while her daughter plays in the grass, representing a baseline state of complete security. This sense of safety is tethered to an anchor. In early development, a child's entire world is framed by a parent's presence. As long as that anchor is visible, the child possesses a functioning compass for the world. True security is derived from proximity to this biological anchor. In this fundamental relationship, it is the presence of the parent, rather than any physical barrier, that defines the boundaries of safety. That security is fragile. When the mother leaves for the market, the visual tether is broken. Spotting a butterfly, the girl follows it past the tree line and into the woods. Within moments, the environment shifts. The open sunlight is replaced by a dense, illogical forest, where the rules of the backyard no longer apply. This transition illustrates the concept of patakna, the state of being lost. When the central anchor vanishes, the individual is left in a mapless void. Every known landmark has vanished. When the primary anchor is gone and the surroundings become hostile, what mechanism can guide a person out of this separation? The young girl is now isolated and vulnerable, crying alone in the deep woods as the temperature begins to drop. A stray puppy approaches. Instead of acting on predatory or fearful instincts, the animal licks her hand, immediately breaking her isolation. This concept is known as wafadari, or loyalty. In this context, loyalty is an active intervention, a specific behavior that bridges the gap between fear and safety. This raises a question of biology. Why would a stray, feral animal risk its own safety to comfort a lost human? The answer lies in the puppy's own past. Months earlier, he was the one lost in a rain-soaked jungle, unable to find his mother and exposed to the wild. He was found by a baby tiger. Instead of an act of violence, the tiger shared his food, and the two began to navigate the jungle together. The situation escalated when the baby tiger's father appeared. The massive adult tiger lowers its head toward the puppy, signaling dogs don't belong. The baby tiger chose to stand in front of the puppy. He rejected the instinct to abandon the weak, insisting that his companion was a friend. That night, the tiger secretly escorted the puppy through the jungle to ensure he reached the edge of the forest safely. Before they parted, the tiger told the puppy that friends do not leave each other. This begins an empathy cycle. Surviving through the mercy of another is internalized as a new behavioral template. This internal state is outwardly projected. Past mercy becomes the loyalty given to the next vulnerable subject. The puppy is repeating the behavior he learned